with each other. Well, no, it does no good to get him through the whole process of the commissioner appointments, only at the end of the day to find out that there might be difficulties in our working style, amongst other things, or core philosophy. So we did agree na acting na muna.
Sino pa sir yung
Si Pahe, si Baldos are also acting. No. In this, si Secretary Baldos was very hesitant to take the position. She would have preferred one of the agencies attached. No, I prevailed upon her, and she's really been performing so well. So baka mawala yung agreement namin na yung papalit sa kanya, bakit hindi na natin pilitin na sumama sa gobyerno. Baka kausapin ko si Secretary Baldos na kung pwedeng tuloy-tuloy na niya.
Sir, with what's happened, posibleng ba na hindi na natin continue si Secretary Roberto?
No, I don't think that has a bearing at this point in time. As I explained, no, he had other functions rather than just the police aspect.
So you were likely to keep him, sir? You're likely to
Yes.
So mawawala ng acting niya, gagawin na.
Yung, again, may evaluation period. Siguro, bilis naman na check yung working style after 2 months. Sigurado na tayo. No? We still have certain things to discuss.
Sir, wala po ba kayong regrets dun sa pag-take ng full responsibility?
No? Yung sino nagtalaga doon sa, di ba, yung mga polis doon, maski pa paano, kaya maraming, di ba, nagre-recommenda in the chain of command, dulo nun, ako pa rin sigurong nagtatalaga kung saan. In the case of Chief of Police, syempre, the LGU also has a bearing in wishes nila. Pero yung punto nito, at siguro gusto ko na emphasize, meron talagang dapat humako na responsibilidad at meron din dapat maging responsable sa pagsasaayos ng lahat ng kakulangan na nangyari at nakita natin. Walang absolved. Tinatapos natin yung investigation. Para kung tutusin, parang proseso na yun para malaman ko anong ginawa ng isang tao doon sa insidente yan. Ano ba ang dapat ginampanan niya, anong ginawa niya. Tapos pagkatapos po nun, siyempre yung nagkulang, kailangan merong kakulang mapapataw na penalties. Teka, yung one question natin.
Pahay na lang, sir. Pahay na lang.
We had 2 other people in mind who were not available for the DNR post. No? So, Secretary Pahay is aware that, again, 1 year is a significant amount of time. Depending on performance, we might reevaluate the need to get somebody else. No?
Sir, kay Versosa, sino yung napipisan yung papalit sa kanya?
Sasabihin ko sa inyo, sa 14 na September.
Sir, kailan po magre-resume?
Can I just say that General Versosa offered this, asked actually for an optional retirement way before the incident. And tapos nagkasundo lang sa date na September. So, he can serve up to December, but he was asking to be given that retirement, that optional retirement. Yeah.
Sir, kailan mag-start yung peace talks with MILF considering na palapos na ang Ramadan?
Kakalabas lang ni Secretary Dele, sana tinanong niyo siya. At kaka-appoint natin yung last member, if I'm not mistaken, of the negotiating panel. So that should start soon. And actually, she's my 2:30 appointment.
Okay.
So,
Thank you, sir.
We can talk to her.
Kasi yung Robledo, sir, in 2 months' time, we're gonna know.
No. Dadalawang buwan pa lang kami nagkakasubukan kung talagang kaya namin mag-mesh. Di ba?
So far, sir, what an assessment? Lalo na in light of the hostage.
You'll be made aware if there are any changes in positions and designations.
Thank you, sir.
Okay? There was a recommendation, but I don't think for Secretary, if my memory serves me right now. And si Director General Versosa, really, sorry Joy. ngayon lang, kumbaga masasabi na exercise yung buong poder niya bilang Director General. Dati parang rubber stamp ang nangyayari sa kanya.
Sir, pero bibigyan niyo mo siya ng posisyon pagkatapos siya mag-
One step at a time. Okay.